Hey guys, Ashley Pederson here with Promo Realty, and this is a great west side home here in Jefferson City that I am in front of, 100 Kingsbury Court. It's on a quiet street, main level living. The owner has taken such great care of this property. You have a nice primary suite, 2-car garage that's on the main level, also a nice laundry room, and it's a total of 3 bedrooms. Downstairs, it's a finished basement with a full bathroom. You don't want to miss this one. Sit back and enjoy the tour.